How to fix Instagram not showing highlight views on your story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can see if Instagram is not showing who viewed your highlights on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So in this case, if I open up Instagram and then I come to my profile page here, and then I just select a specific highlight over here. So let me just choose a specific highlight. And then once I choose a specific highlight, if I just go ahead and select the highlight views, you can see it just sees no views yet. So why does this happen? This happens because Instagram does not let you see who has viewed your highlight. Of course, you can actually know who viewed your Instagram story, but you will not be able to figure out who has viewed your highlight. But there is still a way to work around it, and that is that you have to simply switch to a professional account. So clearing the cache files, data and everything is actually one thing, but aside from doing that, just tap on the three lines, go to settings, then go to accounts, and then here you have to scroll down, select switch to professional account, right? Tap on switch to professional account and then just tap on the continue option here. Just switch to your professional account in this case and then tap on the OK button. Now once you switch to your professional account and then you come back, and once you refresh it as well, once you relaunch the Instagram app, you should be able to find who viewed your highlights on Instagram. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.